This is my favorite way to cook boneless chicken thighs. Juicy, tender, and amazingly flavorful. So we mince 4 cloves of garlic, then add to a mixing bowl with 2 pounds of chicken thighs. For convenience, I'm using boneless skinless chicken thighs. If you debone yourself, keep the skin if you like. We then add the rest of the marinade with just a few simple ingredients. Now I'm just mix everything thoroughly by hand and let it marinate in room temperature for 30 minutes before cooking. Just like on the grill, charring the meat adds tremendous flavor, so we're doing just that on our pan. Start with high heat and coat it with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Transfer the chicken over, drip off any excess marinade. We let it cook undisturbed until the bottom turns brown with some char, which takes just about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, the bottom is brown and charred. Reduce heat to medium. Flip the chicken over and cook until the chicken almost cooked through, which internal temperature should reach between 155 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, it should take about another 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the chicken over, strap in the remaining marinade, cook for another 1 minute. Flip, then remove from heat. Let them cool down for about 5 minutes to finish cooking before slicing. These marinated chicken are juicy, tender, and packed with flavors. They are great to go with rice, flatbread, tortillas, sandwiches, or serves. You have many ways to enjoy them. If you enjoy quick, easy, yummy recipes in short, straight to the point video style, my channel is all about that, so consider subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye bye.